Hi everybody, today is September 3rd, Thursday. We are going to do lesson 3 for our Saxon lesson today. Let's go ahead and go over our picture cards, letter cards, and then we'll go ahead and do the activity, okay? Alright, we have, remember, when I say the letter, when I say it, you have to repeat after me, okay? Apple, A. You have to say apple, A. Acorn, A. Elephant, E. Equal, E. Inch, I. Icicle, I. Octopus, O. Overalls, O. Umbrella, Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Jar, J. Kite, K. Lion, L. Monkey, M. Nest, N. Pig, P. Rabbit, R. Sun, S. Tent, T. Vest, V. Wagon, W. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Very good. Okay, so those are our letter cards and picture cards. The first cards that we did, that was A, E, I, O, U. Those are called what, class? Vowels. Very good. Those are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Those are our vowels. And the rest of the cards we did, that was B through Z, skipping the vowels, those are called consonants. Very good. Those are called consonants. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over our vowels and our consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonants, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. Those are our consonants. Very good. Okay. What you're going to need today is it says at the top, spelling and high frequency word practice 3. Spelling and high frequency word practice 3. I have these cards in my hands, and what I'm going to do is call out the cards, and you're going to write them on the lines, okay? So I say B, you say B, and you write what letter makes the sound B on 1. So you're going to write that right here on 1. B. So the first one, B. You say B, and then you write it on the line right here. B. What sound makes B? B. Very good. D. D. You say D. What sound makes D? I mean D. D. Very good. You're going to write D on line 2. You say F. Very good. What letter makes F? Write that on line 3, just so we're on the same page. That's how your paper should look. Number 4, G. G. What sound makes G? G. Good job. Write that on line number 4. Line number 5. What letter makes the sound H? Good job. Write that on line number 5. Number 6, J. J. What letter makes the sound J? J. Good job. Your paper should look like this now. J should be on line number 6. Okay. The next one, number 7, is k, k, k. What sound makes the k? What letter makes that k sound? K. Very good. Make sure you write a K on line number 7. What sound makes M. You're right. Good job. Write the letter M on line 8. Nine is You have to repeat the sound too. What letter is that? N. Good job. Line number 10. P, p. What letter makes that P sound? P. You're right. P. Okay. Line 11 is going to be Okay. Number 11 is What letter makes the sound, class? R. Good job. So make sure you write R for number 11. Number 12 is S. What letter makes the S sound? S. Good job. 13. T, t. What letter makes the T sound? T. Good job. Your paper should look like that. What letter makes the V sound? V. Very good. W. That's W. Good job. Y. Y and Z. Z. Good job. Good job. So your letters should look like that. Miss Yusuf, what about the other lines? Just leave them blank. Your paper should look like that. All right. Okay, now flip your paper to the back. You're going to have these sight words, high frequency words that you're used to. You're going to read the words as I've told you every day. Check off the boxes. I'm going to challenge you again. I'm going to see if you can come up with 3 sentences using as many words as you can. I'll give you an example. Here we go. I'll say I'm going to use 2 birds said tweet. Period. I use the word I use the word to. I use the word said. I use 3 words in one sentence. The 2 birds said tweets. I want to see if you can come up with 3 sentences using as many words as you can in each sentence. Okay? All right. See you later. Bye.